Hello, welcome to Summing It Up. I'm your host, Mrs. St. John, and today we're going to be talking about simplifying fractions. So simplifying fractions means our top and our bottom number, our numerator and our denominator, need to be divided down until we get the lowest possible fraction that we can. So let's look at some divisibility rules. Divisibility rules. Okay, if I have twos, so anytime a number is divisible by 2, that means it is even and has a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 as the ending number. If I'm looking at 3, that's the add the digits, see if they can divide by 3, then it's divisible by 3. 9, same thing, add the digits, and we'll talk about what that looks like. Divisible by 9, it's divisible by 9. And then 5 is, if it ends in a 5 or a 0, it's divisible by 5. So these are the rules that we're going to follow when we look at, can we simplify this fraction? Okay, let's look at a few examples. If I have 4/12, then I want to see, can I divide by 2? So the ending number has to be either a 2, 4, 6, or 8, or 0. And both of these end in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. So I'm going to be able to divide by 2. Remember, whatever you do to the numerator, you have to do to the denominator. So we're dividing both by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now we have to look at it, can I do it again? So 2 and 6 both can be divided by 2, so we need to continue dividing by 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Anytime you get a 1 in either the numerator or the denominator, you're done simplifying. So 1/3. 4/12 equals 1/3. Okay, let's look at one more example. How about 5/25? Okay, 5/25. Okay, so can 2 go into those? No, they don't have a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. On 3, we add the digits, so 5 cannot be divided by 3, so we're done there, and 9, we can't do that. What about 5? Well, they both end in 5, so I can do divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Again, I have a 1 in the numerator, therefore I am done. So 5/25, when you simplify it, is now 1/5. Let's look at one last example. Let's look at 3/12. So 2 cannot go into them because 3 does not end in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. But 3, so 3 divided by 3 can be done. And if I add these two digits, 1 and 2 is 3, those can be divided by 3. So therefore, these are both divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And again, I have a 1 in the numerator, so I am done. So 3/12 simplifies down to 1/4. And there you have simplifying fractions. Use your rules of divisibility to figure out what number can evenly divide into your numerator and your denominator, and continue until you can no longer divide anything into both. Go ahead and watch this video again and then practice. And if you need help, please let me know in class. Until next time, see ya.